Hi there, this is Daisy from Daisy Victoria, and today I'm going to show you how to put on a corset. Now, you can do this with help from someone else, that's really awesome, but you can do it by yourself too. I actually put on all of my corsets by myself. It is entirely possible, and I'm going to show you today while explaining the process so that someone else could help you if you have someone to help you. Alright. I'm going to be putting on this white Du Peony silk underbust corset, and then I will take it off to show you that as well. The first step is to make sure that your laces are very loose. This is because you don't want to put any strain on the corset when you first put it on. So once they are very, very loose, go ahead and put this around your back. And then here in the front, you're going to hook the busk starting at the center. Then I'm going to hook the bottom and the top. As long as you start in the center, you're fine. This is so that you don't put unnecessary strain on the busk. Now, when you do that, your corset should be very, very loose. So loose that sometimes these want to come undone, so watch those. So as you can see, lots of slack here. So next we're going to take these bunny ears and tighten the corset. We're going to make a couple of passes at tightening. So first we're just going to pull the slack out. So just give it a little pull and just kind of make sure that it's not excessively loose. If you are doing this by yourself, if you have a mirror, that will greatly help you. So once you have that, it's a little tighter, but it's not all the way tight. So now you're gonna go through, you're gonna find the X's. So make sure you pull together at the X's. And just go down from the top to the waist and pull that slack. You'll do the same thing from the bottom. So you're going to find that bottom there, and I'm going to make sure this modesty pannel comes across my laces as I'm going. And then you're just going to do the same thing. And once you have those tightened, just make sure that this sits very nicely across the opening. And sometimes I like to give mine a little extra pull. And then just kind of make sure that everything is good and even if you do that. But it's really helpful if you're putting on your very own corset. All right. So then you should have a pretty even gap from top to bottom. If I turn around, this fits me very well. It's nice and snug at the ribs and it fits very well over the hips because this was made to fit me. Now I can actually go tighter in this, but it's not really necessary for the video, and you don't really want to lace down your corset the very first time you put it on. You want to let it warm up to your body a little bit and then go tighter once you've worn it for a few hours. So once you've gotten it tight, you're just going to tie it. And a bow will do just fine. If you want, you can actually tie a double bow, a knot, whatever you like. Okay? Excellent. Here is my corset. Okay, so you put on your corset, you wear it, awesome, now you gotta take it off at the end of the day. So here's how you take it off. You're going to start not with the busk, but with the laces. So just untie it. You have a bow, it's really easy. And let out some of that tension. So just loosen the laces a little bit. You don't have to loosen them as much as when you first started. Just make sure that it's not super tight. Okay, so once you've done that, I can move it around. You know, it's not really pulling on my waist anymore. So once you do that, that takes the strain off of the bust, and then you can go ahead and unhook it. And our corset is now removed. All right, guys, so now you know how to put on and take off your corset. If you have a friend to help you, hopefully they can do the same thing. And if you have a mirror, that makes it a little bit easier to do it on your own. If you would like a custom-made corset, I would be happy to make one for you. I specialize in custom-made corsets and fairy tale gowns, and you can find me on my website, daisyvictoria.com. I will put a link in the comments. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a great day and happy corsetry.